Okay, so this is the continuous data. So I have told you before, the continuous data is about the measuring. It can be length, size, thickness, it can be weight, right? So this is example question for this is the frequency table, which is the thickness of 20 books is measured in millimeters. Okay, so as you can see here, the frequency table, the shown here is the thickness and the frequency, and with this one is the class interval, the frequencies as well, right? So the first question here is find the modal class. Okay, actually is quite similar, and it's a similar same method how to answer the district data. So modal class, okay, what I have noticed before, some of you still confused what is modal class. Okay, modal class means, okay, you can see here, the mode is the highest frequency. So for the modal class, also same, you look at the highest frequency. So which one is the highest frequency? So here the highest frequency is 8, right? 8. So highest frequency is 8. So mode is 8. But then for modal class, so means is the modal class. Which one is the modal class? This part is the modal class. This one we call as modal class. So the answer for modal class is 10, 15. Okay, so this one is the modal class, the answer. Okay, get it? Alright, okay, next question. Next question is, which class contain the median? Okay, so you need to know the class means at here, the first row, the thickness. Okay, so the median, how to find the median? Okay, median, the total frequency divided by 2. So the total frequency here is 20 divided by 2, so it could be 10, right? It's equals to 10. So how to get it? The plus the frequency number. So 3 plus 5 is equals to 8. 5 plus another 8, so equals to 16. So means 10 here is in between of 10t to 15. So the median is 10, but then class that containing median is equals to 10 t 15. Okay, get it? Alright, okay, next. Okay, next question. Okay, for the next question, okay, this is question C, sorry, this question C. Okay, this question C. Okay, for question C, calculate an estimate of the mean thickness of the books. Okay, for this question, this type of question, I advise to you to redraw the table, and after you redraw the table, you need to find the midpoint and midpoint times the frequency, right? Okay, so just put plus another 2 row for the table. It's easier for us to find the midpoint and m times f. It's easier. Okay, then next. Okay, so first thing is you need to find the midpoint. Okay, midpoint value, so a midpoint class we put as m, and m times f, which is the frequency. Okay, so the midpoint here is in between of 0 to 5. So what is the midpoint number of 0 to 5? Is 5 divided by 2, right? So it will be equals to 2.5. Alright, then next is 5 to 10. So what is the midpoint in between of 5 to 10? Is 7.5. Okay, then 10 to 15. This is 12.5. Then 15 to 20. The midpoint in between number of will be 17.5. Alright, get it? Okay, after that, what you need to do is you just multiply, which is M multiply with F times together. Alright, so you will get here the number MF is 2.5 times 3 is 7.5. The next 7.5 times 5 is 37.5. And 12.5 times 8 is 100. And 17.5 times 4 is 70. Okay, 70. Right, after that, the mean. Okay, right, just now you need to find the mean, right? Because so mean is equals total estimation, total thickness over total number of books. Okay, so total of thickness. Which one is the total of thickness? Total of thickness means total of midpoint times the frequency. So you plus all together. This one plus all. So 7.5 plus 3.5 plus 100 plus 70 over the total of book is 20 books. How do you know this one is 3? This one is 3. Actually, this 3 plus 5 plus 8 plus 4, which is the total of frequency. Alright, okay, then it will be equals to 12.15 divide to 20, sorry, 20. So it's equals to 10.75 millimeter. Okay, so this is the answer for the mean. Okay.